Okay, we just did our exercises. Excuse me. First spelling, then some gummy bears. And I wasn't planning on doing spelling today, but Mark, he needs something to do while he's waiting to go out. So this seemed like a good activity. Oh, put my phone out here. I don't want to sit on the phone. Put your glasses on. You're going to have to pick a new lesson because we're all done with the one we were doing. It was a shorter one. So we have, for topics, we have all about allergies, Green Day, or Here They Come. This is about cicadas.
Here they come.
You want to do that? Okay, here they come. All right. Then we're running low on lessons, so maybe we'll start work on your history book. Got a history book for Christmas, and we haven't even looked at it yet, have we? Yeah, I need to start doing that. That'll be fun. Okay, here they come. I can see you're steaming up your glasses. Hold on. I guess I'll have to get some of that Rain-X or something put on these. All right, I will let's try again. Okay, here they come. 2024 is a very special year for the periodic Periodic that means occasional type of insect that will be making its debut soon in the billions. Billions. A cicada, Cicada brood, is a group of periodical cicadas that emerge in a given year, and there can be multiple species in each brood. There are 12 different broods, broods, of cicadas with a 17-year life cycle, and 3 different broods with a 13-year life cycle. Each brood is assigned. Hey. Do some breathing. First spelling, then gummy bears. You know what I forgot to do was some brushing. Do you want me to brush your hands? Wake them up a little bit. Want me to brush your other hand? That's good. Yeah, let's look at this side. I still haven't looked up what I'm doing this either. Spelling. Okay, let's continue with our lesson here. Okay. Oh, this is a long one too. I didn't even realize. Okay. Where were we? There's 12 different broods of cicadas with a 17-year life cycle, and 3 different broods with a 13-year life cycle. Each brood is assigned a Roman, R-O-M-A-N, numeral for identification purposes. In addition to these long-cycled cicadas, Illinois also has annual, A-N-N-U-A-L, that means yearly, cicadas called Dog Day, D-O-G-D-A-Y, cicadas that are slightly different. That's interesting because when I grew up, we had cicadas, but they were like every year. So I don't know why they keep saying this. All these different ones that come out every 17 years. Okay. This year in Illinois, Brood 13 is a group of periodical cicadas that emerge every 17 years in the northern half of the state. The last 3 times we saw this brood was 2007, 1990, and 1973. That's the year I was born. Brood 13 will be emerging in 2024. In addition, we will be seeing, okay, so at the map, there's a map, and so brood 13 is the red dots. See the map? This is the state of Illinois. Brood 13 is the red dots. Okay, in addition to seeing, in addition to seeing brood, in addition, we will be seeing brood 19 at the same time in 2024 as well. Brood 19 emerges every 13 years in the southern half of Illinois. So the last time we saw this group was 2011. The simultaneous simultaneous emergence of these 2 broods is the first time since 1803, and it will not happen again until 2245. 2245, yeah. Okay, finally, get to some spelling words. Okay, the first word is periodic. Okay? Then, you know what, can you back up one? Thank you, because we're going to hit the table, and we already got holes in this. Not that it's like a nice tablecloth or anything, it's just oilcloth. Okay, then, R, then, I, and, down below, O, then, up, no, over, first is, T, then, now, I, then, again, last letter, above that, C, good job, periodic. Okay, next word is annual. A, then, N, and then, up, to, and, up, A, then, L, good job, annual. Now next word is emerge. Then, look at M, then, now, R, then, look, T, then, all the way over. Yeah, that's right, good job. Okay, what kind of insect are we talking about today? You can do almost the whole word on this board. What kind of insect? First look, and then poke, okay? What are we talking about today? Up. See, that's it, now down. You're getting it. See, then, over. I, then, C, I, then, up. C, now, over. A, yep. A, then, now over this way. Up. C, then, back over. All the way over. Up. Okay, that's it. A, then. S, good job. Cicadas. What are the 2 different types of cicadas? Okay, so they want just 2 words. So we'll do the first one word Well, we already did annual, so we'll do the other word. What other kinds of cicadas are there besides annual? Okay? Look, then poke. Even. Look, are, then. Good job. Keep going. I, then. Look, O, and. E, then. I, and. Back up. C. Perfect. Periodic. That was very good. What is the nickname for annual cicadas? Up, D, then. O, N. D, then. Up, D, and. Over. A. Yep. Dog. Last letter. That's it. Dog day. Cicadas. Okay, a group of cicadas is called a blank. A group of cicadas is called a. Same thing we call bees. You. Go slow. Get your first letter. Get it in your mind. Up. B, then. R, then. Down. B, R, O, and. O, then. Up. D. That's it. Brood. A brood. See if there's more questions. Oh yeah. Oh, there's a lot of nice questions. Cicadas are classified by what type of numbering system? R, then, over. O, then, now up. M, then. R-O-M, now. R-O-M. A, then. Look. And, okay, Roman. And then. And then up. You. That's it. Up. M, N. Then. R, then. Good job. Up. A, and. Look. L, good correction. And. Up. Perfect. Roman numerals. 17-year cicadas are found in what part of Illinois? That's what I was trying to show you on the map. And then. O, then. All the way over. R, then. T, and. H, then. Over. E, and. R, then. All the way over. Good job. Northern part of the state. And what was the last time that we saw the 17-year cicadas? Okay, over. Oh, no, over. You guys are easy. Last year we saw the 17-year cicadas. 2 and over. Up. 0 and 0 then. 2, 0, 0, 7. There you go. Southern Illinois sees what periodic group of cicadas? Okay, so we're going to start with two numbers. What ones do they see? Up above. Up. 1 and. Then over. 1 and up above. Up. 3. 13. You're right, Y, not W. Y, then E, and A, then. Perfect. 13 year. When was the last time we saw the 13-year cicadas? Okay, slow down. Go slow on this, okay? You can get it. Go slower. Go slow. For some reason, you seem to be going to end, 0, end, 1, end, 201, 1. That's it. 2011. The last time that both the 17-year brood and the 13-year brood came out at the same time was in what year? Okay. 1 end, 1 over 8, then 0 end. Yes, perfect. 1803. Go slow. Okay. This rare phenomenon will not happen again until what year? After 2024. In the future. 2 and good job. 2 then, no, 2 and over. 4 and 22, 4, 5. Good correction. 22, 45. Okay. How many years? Oh, got some math problems. Okay. How many years will it be until this combination of broods happens again? So they want to know, so it's 2024 minus 2245 minus 2024 equals how many years? Do you just want to give me the answer? 2 and close. 2 and 2 and now 1. Okay? Or do you want to do the whole equation? Well, just give me the answer, so. 221. Then it asks, boy, Mark, it hurt my hand. All these high-fiving. How many years has it been since both broods appeared in the past? So also say it. 2024 minus 1803 equals what? Give me the answer. 200 and no. 200. Go slow. It's right next door. 221. That's it. So I guess every 221 years they're the same. Okay. Based on when you were born, how many times have you seen a periodic brood emerge? Oh my. A periodic brood. Is that the one that's every 17 years? Okay. How many times have you seen a periodic brood emerge? Alright, then you're 23 years old, so. No, you're not that old. Once, yeah, every 17 years. So you have to be at least twice that old. Okay, I wonder what the time is. Okay, because that was kind of a longer, had a lot of questions at the end. Yeah, I think it's almost done. Okay, well let's do some math then. Let's finish up with some math. Okay. I can't remember the math. I think we're just doing pointing. Okay, let's do math. My pencil. This is my pencil back here. Okay. Okay, what do we have on the roll of the dice? We have a multiplication question. 55, times 72. Now I have to look it up here. Let's do the whole thing, okay? 55 times 72. 50. No, go slow, okay? 55. So let's start over. 5, 50. 55. 5, and